Let's see how we can create a vertical video for TikTok or YouTube Short by using iMovie. At first, we need to open iMovie. I'm going to click this is Spotlight Search, and then here I am going to type iMovie, and I'm going to open this iMovie application. Very shortly, it will open. Now, if we click Create, it will give us two options. One is Movie and its Trailer. So, any of these options will help us to create the video, but it will not be the vertical video. To do this thing, we need to click a trick. So we just need to click File, and then it will bring this menu. From here, we have to choose New App Preview. I'm going to click here, and it will bring like this. And here it is showing App Previews. This feature lets developers create app previews for the App Store using titles and graphics design to showcase their apps. We don't need that much information. I'm going to click OK, and very shortly it will be opened. Now here, if we go back to project, we'll see the app preview is there. Okay, I'm going to click here, and it will bring like this type of thing. And on the left side, we'll see a couple of menu options are there, like app preview and some other things. We just need to click app preview, and here now we can import our video, everything all together, and finally we can make the video. I'm not going to show you those things. Those are pretty much simple. You just need to import, and finally once you import, you can export from this icon. But remember, when you import the video, your first clip must be the exact format whichever you want for the vertical video, and then after that it will be synchronized totally. Later, if you import other videos, you can add any other video format, but it will be defined based on the first frame. So that's it. In this way, we can easily create the vertical video using iMovie.